These were threats by the investigating officer.
It is from the surface to sleep.
But of the Your Worship. And Your Worship, it was also we instead submitted that and gave an exhibit B, which is a charge sheet, where it is stated that the residence of the accused is Kauga village in Mukono. Your Worship, this is not trial that we are producing evidence. However, we note that the document that is relying upon is signed by the officer preparing the charge and the magistrate. We do not have time to examine and find out how was this document prepared and brought in court.
You are saying that this is a state document.
Yes, Your Worship.
So they know what they want.
Yes, Your Worship. And that is the officer preparing the charge. My Lordship, it is an allegation by the investigating officer that he arrested the accused from the hotel in Kisasi, where the accused had stayed for 2 months. Your Worship, there is no any proof or evidence attached to this affidavit that the accused person was actually staying in Kisasi. Your Worship, just as they have provided several evidence on this affidavit, there is no single, even a receipt from the hotel to prove to court, so invite court to actually disregard such evidence that is made by an investigating officer whose task is to ensure that the accused is left in cells. I worship. For the first time, I had evidence from the bar that the accused is likely to be subjected to mob justice by my colleague. Apart from merely stating this in the affidavit, there is no evidence by the state that actually the accused will be subjected to mob justice. As you can see in court, Your Worship, the sympathizers are so many. I would pray that Your Worship will disregard the prayer of denying the accused the bail, because there is a likelihood of any justice on him. Your Worship, further, the Land Chief State Attorney presented to court that one shooting in Amozo Brenda is a tenant and does not have a fixed place of abode. My simple understanding, Your Worship, of having a place of abode is that you have somewhere you reside. The ownership. Your Worship, I back up this with direction number 15 and the Constitution Bail Guidelines for Courts of Judicature, where courts only has to get the well considering a surety, court would look at the age, work and residence of the surety, but not that the surety should own a home for him or her to become a sound and substantive surety. Your Worship, the LOC even confirms that actually Brenda is a resident within church zone. So I would pray, Your Worship, that court finds numbers of Brenda a sister to the accused, Your worship, she's also